Hey, what's up guys, Tanmay here for Simple Snippets and I'm back with another video tutorial on scientific calci tricks. So if you've been following this channel and if you've seen the number system conversion tutorial, you must have a good idea about the number systems and how to perform different conversions between the different types of number systems. But in those videos we actually had to calculate and do some paperwork as well to get the final answer or to get the conversions done. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you a trick wherein you can use your scientific calci to perform those conversions with a click of a button, wherein you actually don't need to do any paperwork. So the calci model that I am using is 100 ms Casio, but the functionality is pretty similar to different models of Casio calculators. So I'll also show another Casio calculator as well in this video. Right now this model is 100 ms as I said. So let's start. Just turn on your calci. So the only thing you need to check is the mode on which your calci is on currently. So currently my calculator is on complex mode. So in order to change the mode, you click the mode button and you can see there are two options. Then click it again and as you can see we have to select the option number 3, that is base. Now as you can see you got a sign of small d which represents decimal value. So you can change between these values. So currently as you can see in the question we have to convert 15 in decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So since our calci is in decimal mode right now, I'll just write or type in 15 and press equal to button. So 15 is a decimal number as you can see because it is represented by the small letter d over here, and in order to convert it you just have to select the four options, that is decimal, hexadecimal, binary and octal. So for the first one we have to convert it to binary. I'll just click this button and as you can see the small character changed to B and we have the binary value of 15, that is 1111. Similarly if I click the octal button it will show me the octal value of 17, and if I click the hexadecimal number button it will show me the letter F. Since in hexadecimal there are 16 different values and we have 0 to 9 and A to F, and 15 in decimal represents F in hexadecimal. So this was conversion of a decimal value to any of the other different number systems. Now similarly if you want to convert any other number system value, for example you want to convert a binary number to decimal, you can do that as well. I'll just show it quickly. I just have to change the base and currently it is hexadecimal as you can see over here. So I'll change it to binary first, then I'll type in the number. I'll type in 1111 in order to cross check. I'll press equal to first, and now in order to change it to decimal I just have to change the base value. So I click decimal and you can see we have binary number 1111 is equal to 15 in decimal, which is equal to F in hexadecimal, which is equal to 17 in octal. So this is a way in order to convert between different number systems, and it's a quick way to cross check whether you have calculated the values correctly or not. And I'll just change the calci now and show you how it's done in the another model. Okay, so as you can see now I have the Casio 991 ES model. So the process over here is also pretty similar, but just to give you a demonstration. Okay, again over here currently we just need to first set our calculator to the base mode. So click on the mode and you can see the option number 4 which represents base. So click on that. By default it is showing me a decimal DEC value, so whatever I type it will be in decimal. So I'll type in 15. I'll click equal to. Now I just need to convert it to other three values, that is binary, octal and hexadecimal. So these are the four buttons which you need to keep in mind in order to switch between the different number systems. So to change it to binary I'll click this button, and as you can see it's showing a long number, but we are only interested in the 4 digits starting from the right. So it is 1111, and you know the zero value in the MSB is irrelevant, so it's just because of this format of this calc sheet showing that values. Similarly, if you want to change it to octal, I'll click the octal button, which is shown as OCT. So as you can see, it is 17 in octal, and the hexadecimal value would be F. So if you want to actually change a hexadecimal value, for example, I'll type in F, and you can see the values of A to F in these buttons. Starting from here, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, E, F. So let me just clear them out. Now let's see if we can convert a hexadecimal value to decimal value. I typed in A, I pressed equal to, and now I want to change that hexadecimal value to a decimal value. So I'll just click decimal, and yes, there you go. A in hexadecimal is equal to 10 in decimal. So that's how we can switch between different number systems at the click of a button if you have a scientific calci, just to cross check or cross reference your paperwork calculations. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you got the trick and you can actually go ahead and try it out yourself so that you get a good hold of it and you can actually use it in your examination just to cross verify your answers. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, you can always put them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Peace.